Okay, so I'm going to show you how to graph four inequalities on the same coordinate system. If I was given this particular situation and needed to graph 4x plus 3y is less than or equal to 720, I've already found the points that I'm going to use. For this pink inequality, notice that it's got the equal to, so I'm going to grab the equal to inequality, and I'm going to use 180, 0, so I'm going to put a dot at 180, 0. And then from there, I've got this line anchored at 180, and I'm going to just kind of move it until I get my second point on there, which is 0 to 140. Click to anchor it down on both ends, and then I'm going to shade below that area. Okay, you can pick any point below it and just anchor the shading. Next, let's graph the second inequality. X plus y is less than or equal to 215. Again, hit that tool with the equal to so that I have a solid line. I'm going to start my first point at 215, 0, and then 0 to 15, anchor that line down, and then determine which way to shade. We're going to end up shading below the line, and so I'm going to pick any point below the line to anchor the shading. Don't forget you have two more inequalities over here. That x is greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0. So again, because of the equal to, I'm going to grab that inequality with a solid line, and let's graph my y is greater than or equal to 0, so 2 points, and then anchor the shading. And then I'm going to also do the x is greater than equal to 0. Again, any 2 points on the y-axis, and then anchor the shading. So this looks a little bit confusing, but where they are all shaded is your solution area. On your next problems, it might ask you to just do the shaded area. In this case, it wants all four on the same coordinate system. So go ahead and click submit,